Hey, what's going on, Androids? This is Linux Android with another video, and today we have the unboxing video of the Galaxy A10e. Now, what's about this phone? What are the specs of this phone? Well, basically, this phone it's a seven. It has a 720 resolution screen. It has 2 gigs of RAM, 10 megapixel camera, and so basically, who's this phone for? This is the budget section. Remember, Samsung has its flagship phones, the S and the Note line. And then you got the mid-rangers, the A50, the A70, A80, and then you got your budget phones, the A10e, A20, A30. Now this phone costs around $150 on Samsung's website, but if you do a trade-in with your old Android smartphone, you get it for around 120. So that's how much I got it for. So now really quick to say, who's this phone for? This phone is ideal for kids as their first entry phone, and also for senior citizens who just need it for texting or calling or basic browsing on the internet. Don't spec. This is a budget phone, like I said. Don't spec this phone to have a great camera, great performance for gaming. It has nothing of that. This is a budget phone for $120, so you pay what you get. But it's also not bad. It's good. It's good for the price range. So let's do an unboxing. I already kind of opened the tape because it's kind of hard to take it off. I rip it off. So right now, but the phone is brand new. I order it from Samsung's website, samsung.com. You got your books and stuff right here. And this is the phone. The Galaxy A10e. It's a 5.8 inch screen, 720 resolution. And what else you get here? Now this is your power brick. And I believe it's a 5 watt charger, so don't expect to be a fast charger like 25 watt or 45 watt charger as a Note 10. What else is right here? Here you got the USB Type C cable, and so that's about it. So that's about it. Simple presentation. Well, for $120, you can't really expect that much. Galaxy A10e. I think let's see, it has some juice. Let's turn it on. And it comes with an Android 9. So I don't know if Samsung will upgrade this phone to Android 10. This one came out last year in August 2018. So we were gonna have to wait and see that. So this is just a quick video about the Galaxy A10. Like I said, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a video later on of maybe a performance of the camera. But like I said, don't expect much. This is a budget phone. This is ideal phone for teenagers, for kids who wanna have their first phone, and also for senior citizens. Now I pick up this one from my mom. She's 68. She only needs it for texting, calling, and that's pretty good. That's all she needs. So thanks for watching. See you next time. And as always, choose Android.